What's up, sexy people? Welcome to Flipping Designs. Today we're going to talk about juxtaposition. For design purposes, it's such a beautiful way to show contrast. So we're going to give you multiple different examples in this modern rustic home, which is a perfect way to show you what juxtaposition is. It's simply showing how different stones, any type of marble or tile, those are in concrete, those are all very cool elements. And by pairing some natural elements, you create juxtaposition. We're going to show you why it looks so different by simply just pairing juxtaposition. So we're going to give you some fun examples. So this is a very beautiful remodel that we just got done doing. It has a lot of these natural contrast colors and or textures that we're going to be talking about. But even though this is so gorgeous as is, and we already have some juxtaposition here, we have the woods, and then we have some iron here, we have our quartz, right? We have the woods. All of it is such a cool texture change. Great news, we can do something even better. Ta-da! Right? Does this not look and feel, more importantly, so much warmer? And that's what texture change, that's what juxtaposition does. It simply allows you to create a texture that makes you feel like it's warm, like it's homey. It's not so stale. This is what staging does to all properties. So, some advice that I have for you, you really should find a good stager that can do this, or you need to do this to your home. This is another great example of modern rustic. This entire house though is modern rustic, so you're gonna see that vibe throughout the entire home. But this really is a simple way to show you contrast and juxtaposition. You're going to have a rough feeling material, usually as a contrast against concrete, and then you do have the wood. So how interesting that right just in this spot specifically, you have 3 different contrasts that really bring in that warm, earthy vibe. And definitely in this area, you gotta know the location on where you're staging or where you're creating the design. But this is exactly what people are looking for because you're right next, you're tucked inside of a mountain. And so giving that rustic, earthy vibe is exactly what we're trying to do here. In the same exact scenario, we're gonna be able to have leather, iron, and we're gonna have stone and wood next to each other. This all just ties in very simply because they're all different. Now, if you had a bunch of the exact same thing on the table, you'd feel like it was very stale. But because there's so much texture change, immediately your eye gets drawn in and sees only warmth. Okay, when staging a kitchen, I know that people get very frustrated. It's one of the hardest things you can do to actually feel like it's still warm. Most kitchens are very stale, or they're completely cluttered. You're gonna get either or. So staging a kitchen needs to be very simple. That's gonna be helpful. But then you're gonna have stone, woods, right? Like this is the key. We're gonna have more stone, and more wood. But woods and baskets make all the difference in the world because again, earthy vibes. So instead of a basket, we chose to do a cute little green urn here. But that's the case, it's just keeping it really simple and clean and don't overdo the kitchen. So this is a fantastic way to showcase contrast and juxtaposition in a master bedroom. Rugs, if you can get a wicker rug anytime in a master or even in the kitchen, it's going to create such a fun juxtaposition to your eye that'll allow you as the viewer to feel like even in pictures or on video you can see this feels very warm to you. And if we turn the camera around, you'll see that it actually kind of feels very cold. There's 2 parts of this room. When we zoom out, you'll be able to actually see both sides. There's kind of a cooler side of the room and then there's a very warm side of this room. Again, by bringing both of those combinations together, it just overall feels very cozy in this space. But you do have leather, and then you do have a fun fuzzy pillow here, and then, like I said, the wicker rug ties everything together. What do you think? Comment in the section below. I'm dying to hear if you like this style or if you would have chose to do something different. Okay, so here's the formal dining room. Now in this home, we actually chose to create a formal dining room space, but it's right off the front door. So technically it could actually be also an office, but unfortunately people have a hard time giving up their formal dining room over an office. So we created an office in a different section of this home instead, and we turned this into the formal dining room. I do love the contrast and the different textures in this room. We do have the wicker for the rug, right? So that creates fun texture. And then I know that some people feel like this is probably too modern for this modern rustic design. I kind of agree, to be honest. I probably would have chose little bit different texture than a velvet beige, but I will say that it still feels really nice, and it does bring in those beautiful colors that I did want, which was the navy blue. Because navy blue and wicker and gold look so fabulous together. This is such a beautiful design of a shelf by itself. It's very abstract, and it creates that modern rustic feel that, you know, you're going for in this home. So you have your woods, you have your wicker baskets, you have your modern texture sizes, and even a woman bench. So looks pretty good. So because there's so much stone in this specific room, we're able to do the leather couch. And really, there's nothing more warm to sit on than a warm leather couch. So this is a great aspect because right next to it is also the metal tables that we put in here and iron. Having metal and iron in a room, really, especially for this house, is that modern rustic. So a tip for design is to be man neutral, but woman positive. So you can't have too much iron or metals in a home because it'll just feel too manly to most women. But if you can be male neutral and woman positive, then you're gonna have a really fun, beautiful design. So keep that in mind. I hope that this section of modern rustic design has been very helpful for you in understanding what opposing composition is and juxtaposition. Because in design, realistically, it's everything. Colors, contrast, all of them are all very important, but knowing how to pair them together really will make a huge difference for you. So if you liked this content for any reason, or you think that a friend or a family member or someone that you care about could use this information, you should share it. Because on this channel, the more you love it and share it, the more views we'll get, and the more we can actually bring you content. So if you like it, please share it. As always, thanks for watching. See you on the flip side.